Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to download Minion Rush application on your iPhone. Minion Rush is an endless running game based on the popular Despicable Me franchise. It is packed with humor, fast-paced action, and plenty of mischievous fun. So to download the genuine and the original Minion Rush game, follow the steps. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open up your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Minion Rush. In the search result, look for this application from Gameloft and tap on the Get button or the Download button. Now, wait until the download is completed, which will take a few minutes. Once the app is downloaded, tap on Open, and there you have successfully downloaded Minion Rush on your iPhone. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.